Good evening, everyone. We're your local Velvet Underground. We're gonna play a little while for you. And by the time we're done, we hope you're all gone. And if you're not, there might be something wrong with you.
First song of Owl.
I think that I am upside down.
to a brownstone, up 3 flights of stairs. Everybody's pinned you, but nobody cares. He's got the works to give you sweet taste, but now you gotta go, 'cause you ain't got time to waste. I'm waiting for my man. different colors made of tears.
White light, white light, doing that you know my mind. White light, what you know is gonna make me go blind. White heat, oh, I heat you to the way I do my do. White light, oh, I gotta turn out what you know. White light, oh, I gotta turn out what I mean. White light, oh, I gotta turn out what I'm saying. White heat, take away I do my do. White light, oh, I gotta turn out what you know. you know something? She's sitting on my back. Sally Mae, 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 whoa. Well, I did something that I never did before. I walked right down to the dollar store. I bought her some flowers, a beautiful bat. Don't you know something? She sent them right back. Sally Mae, 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 oh. Ride, Sally, ride, 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 oh, ride, Sally, ride, ride, Sally, ride, ride, Sally, ride, ride, Sally, ride. Four. Looking for another place, someone else to be. Looking for another chance to ride into the sun, ride into the sun. Right into the sun. Right into the sun. Right into the sun where everything seems so pretty. We're tired of the sea. Remember, it's a flower made out of gold. In the city, where everything seems so early. I'm tired of living so free. Remember, you're just one more person who's living there.
Waldo Jeffries had reached his limit. It was now mid-August, which meant he'd been separated from Masha for over 2 months. 2 months and all he had to show was 3 dog-eared letters and 2 very expensive long-distance phone calls. True went to school in London, she had returned to Wisconsin, and he to Locust, Pennsylvania. She had sworn to maintain a certain fidelity. She would date occasionally, but merely as amusement. She would remain faithful. But lately Waldo had begun to worry. He had trouble sleeping at night, and when he did, he had terrible dreams. He lay awake at night, tossing and turning underneath his pleated quilt protector. Tears welling under his eyes as he rejected Masha, her swollen bowels overcome by liquor and the smooth squirts of some Neanderthal, finally spreading to the final caress of sexual oblivion. It was more than the human mind could bear. Visions of Masha's face and it haunted him. Daytime fantasies of sexual abandonment permeated his thoughts. The thing was, they wouldn't understand how she truly was. He wanted to know alone understood this. He intuitively grasped every nook and cranny of her psyche. He made her happy. She needed him, and he wasn't there. The idea came to him on a Thursday, before the mama's parade was scheduled to appear. He just finished edging and mowing the Edelson's lawn for $1.50, and to check the mailbox to see if there was word from Masha. There was nothing but a circular from the Avian and Aluminum Company of America, inquiring of his awning needs. At least they got it right. It was a deal company. You could go anywhere in the mail. That shook him. He didn't have enough money to go to Wisconsin in the normal fashion, but why not mail himself? It was absurdly simple. He was shipped to a parcel, special delivery. The next day, Waldo went to the supermarket to purchase the necessary equipment. He bought masking tape, a staple gun, and a medium-sized cardboard box, just right for the portion of his build. He joined in the minimum tossing. He could ride quite comfortably. A few air holes, some water, perhaps a midnight snack. Probably good as going tourist. By Friday afternoon, Waldo was set. He fairly packed and the post office had to pick him up around 3 o'clock. He marked the package fragile. Rested the rubber phone cushion on thoroughly. He tried to picture the look of all unhappiness on Marsha's face as she opened the door, saw the package, tipped the liver, and opened to see her Waldo quietly there. She would kiss him, and then maybe they'd see a movie. I've only thought it before. Suddenly, rough hands gripped the package, and he felt himself more wrong. He landed with a thud, and the truck was off. Marsha Broadstairs just finished setting her hair. It had been a rough weekend, she had to remember not to drink like that. Billy was nice about it though, and even though after it was over, he still respected her. And after all, it certainly was the way of nature. And even though no, he didn't love her, he did feel a certain affection for her. And after all, they were grown animals. No one Bill could teach Waldo. But that seemed many years ago. Her very best friend walked into the screen porch and into the kitchen. Oh God, it's absolutely morning outside. I know what you mean, I feel icky. Tighten the belt on a cow who roasted cuts. I suppose to take these soft foods, but they make me feel like throwing up. Oh God, I ain't on. What? Supposed to be by mistake. I don't know. I don't think I'll ever touch a daiquiri again. Maybe Bill will. After last night, maybe after you. I know what you mean, oh my God. His hands look like an octopus, hands all over the place. And the thing is, after a while, you get tired of fighting with him, you know. And after all, I didn't do anything on Friday and Saturday, well, I got an owe to him. And, you know, just for the same, I even went to after a while. Mr. Jameson at the Clearsdale post office rang the doorbell to her office. When Marshall brought to open the door, he helped her carry the package in. He had his yellow and green slips of paper aside. He left a 15-cent tip, and then Marshall got out. What do you think it's from? I don't know. Inside, Waldo quivered. walked up to the car and the red with the ink label. Oh, golden Chihuahua. That's Shabbat. Well, why do I open it? Well, he must have nailed it shut. Oh God, we need a power drill to get this thing open. Oh, you can't get a grip. They both stood still, breathing heavily. Why don't you get scissors, said Sheila. Wash her right out of the kitchen, and after she could find was little sewing scissors. Then she remembered her father come to punch his tools in the basement. She ran downstairs, and she came back. She had a large sheet metal cutter with her hand. This is the best I could find. She was very out of breath. What are you doing? I'm gonna die. She's taking a large from the counseling sound over there. God damn this thing. Must have nailed it shut. I got an idea. What, said Marsha. Just watch, said Sheila, touching her fingers to his head. Inside the package, Walter was so drenched with excitement, he could barely breathe. His fin so prickly from the heat. He could feel his heart beating in his throat. It would be soon. Sheila stood quite upright and walked around the other side of the package. Then she sank down on her knees, grasped the cutter from both handles, took a breath, and plunged the long blade through the middle of the package, through the masking tube, through the cardboard, through the cushioning, and right into the center of Walter Jeffrey's head. He spit slightly and closed little rhythmic arcs of red, the pulsate in the morning sun.
Some people, they like to go out dancing, and other people, they have to work. Just watch me. And there's even some evil mothers who will tell you that everything in life is just dirt, and that women never really faint, that villains always blink their eyes. And you know that children are the only ones who blush. And that life is just an eye. Everyone ever had a heart. When I went to the round breaking, anyone who's ever played a part. Whoa, I went to the round breaking. Sweet Jane, oh, sweet. 3, 4. couldn't hear the saddles. I couldn't hear the saddles. It was just like some racing. Rub it on my chin, rub it on my chin. She's leaning up the carpet. Miss Rosie's having a good time when she's talking around the dog. When she said claps into your door, claps into 3 and 4. Now shoot you down by the ball. And why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that, she said? Well, I'm looking for my mirror. I couldn't hear the sirens. I couldn't hear the sirens. Now she's looking for her moonlight. Until it has a time. We got a tower, but she's waiting for her sailor. We're waiting for the time. I couldn't hear the sirens. No, I couldn't hear it. It's just I'm searching for my moonlight. I couldn't hear the sirens. No, I couldn't hear the sirens. 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 And it's just like it's just like
sister racing.
Bring it down to regular shit. Bring it down to regular fucking shit.
Thank you, good night.
I'm out. Good to see you. Alright, me and my dad. I really hope to see you soon.
I sent that photo to Griff and he takes it back. I don't think they're supposed to be doing that.
I looked over and I said, Marco,